A band of hot dogs are live, singing pretty funny. Pretty funny, man. What up, Sama? How you doing? All right. I'm back. The migraine is at bay. Yeah, it's doing all right. I'm on Excedrin right now, so we're living. Are those dents on the corner of your forehead? What those? These? Those are scars. Scars from eyebrow piercings. I used to have piercings like all down my eyebrows as well. And I redid them a bunch of times, so you can see a bunch of scars. Yeah, I used to have them right here too. That was fun. Sound of the sounds. Can you do any impression? What did I do last time? I forgot. No, I don't remember. I think it was funny though, whatever I did. I remember laughing. I don't know. I don't know any impressions. Maybe. Did you see the terrible AI music? It was only a test sample. I don't think it was that bad. It really reminded me of like just kind of a trippy RPG background music. Kermit the Frog. No, not that good. Kermit. I'm Kermit. Yeah, I didn't really do Muppets a lot. Sorry. I did my best. I'm Morgan Freeman. That's probably better. Morgan Freeman. It is Morgan Freeman. What up, Sama? You on both? Yeah, I like the AI music. Morgan Freeman. You may refer to me as God. Peter Griffin? What's that? Yeah. Lois. No, it's not very good. I think actually my daughter does a really good Peter Griffin. Which is weird. You were kicked out of shirts? That makes sense. Oh, you were kicked out of shorts. Oh, that's weird. I wonder why. It didn't stop. It's still going. Hey, Tanvir. What up? How you doing? So I have been doing a little bit of work on the game on the side. I've been focusing on trying to get hurt animation when you get hurt. Because right now when you get hurt, the only way to tell is that your health is going down. Not a very good experience. So I've been trying to add a data point when you get hurt. That goes away after a second. So let's see if that's working. It's supposed to happen, yeah. And then I was just gonna add some styling. So it should get a new data dash hurt. Oh shit. I forgot. I need to go back. We also need to get a persisted way of telling that the last thing I did was come from Bylon. But that's not really... That's kind of hard to do. Because what if you refresh twice? Like, then it just goes away. But let's start here. Don't they ever destroy me? Blah 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 blah. Skip. Skip, 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 skip. Alright, there should be fire now. Let's see if we can get hurt. Actually, let's turn the oh no, so I can go faster. That doesn't seem very fast. How come she's not going fast here? What the hell's going on with my local? Yeah, whatever. I think it works in production. All right. Do we get hurt? So we should see data-hurt. Oh, there it is. False. Okay. Good. It worked. We can use that. So what I was thinking, and I'm going to do it in styling here. I was thinking about just using some filters, some CSS filters, and turning him like red, you know. I just hope it only affects him and not the transparent part. You've been making random games on an alt account. The only way to find it is ARG, but I'm not good at ARGs. So I got myself stuck in the middle of a website idea. Oh, nice. What ARGs? Does ARGs stand for something I don't know about? Is that augmented reality? Arguments? ARG search. What it mean? Nope. Still don't know. Okay, so let's find the image. So what we're going to do is add a filter now. And we're going to do, I think I'm going to do hue, oh, sepia. Oh yeah, that's good. See, it's only affecting the image. We'll do sepia. And also, let's do hue rotate and make him red. Like that. Sure. And then let's do saturation. And let's do, oh, obviously that's a bad. Yeah, like that. And then let's add a brightness. Ooh, that's not what I want. Contrast. Contrast. Yeah, something like that. Still too pink. Search it, pal. It ain't nothing bad. Also, this other project you're talking about. What other project? I'm not talking about another project. I don't have any other projects. Alright, that looks like you're getting hurt. I guess. We'll take that. Alright, so now, inlay styling. Let's go to map character. Let's go to data hurt equals true. Sure. I guess I just need to do that, right? Yeah, there you go. data height equals true. And then we'll add, what was it? Map icon. Map character icon. Map character icon, engage, filter, blah. Perfect. Fucking perfect, my friend. And I guess we'd do like transition. Oh shit. I think we need to add it first. Actually, don't I already have that somewhere here? Blah, 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 blah. Map character icon. Yep. Transition. Filter. 0.3 seconds. That'll work. You heard around the street there was something, but that's the wrong street. Something about flex keys. Flex keys prime. Yeah, have you guys been drinking your flex keys prime? Flex keys. Make sure you're subscribed to Flex Keys Plus. For all your Flex Keys ASMR needs. Yeah, use Flex Keys, guys. FlexKeys.store. Ask Sama about it. Okay, this should work. But now I want it to not just do that. I need a little animation when you get hurt. Like I want you to shake. Either shake or like flash. So maybe we'll flash. That should be easy to do. I need animate. Yeah, we'll use like, I can use the shake animation. Maybe. Not a bad idea. So we could do animate, shake. It's gonna be like shaking when he gets hurt. No, I don't want to do shake. I want to do flash. So let's go look for shake. Oh, glow maybe? It's not fast enough. Let's steal glow. And we'll do flash. And FlexKeys is a handheld device that cures hand elements created by the power of 30 Panther, a piece of ancient technology. Yes. Cures hand. What was it? Hand elements? Do you mean ailments? So the flash, I just want opacity. Opacity 0. Opacity 1. There we go. Elements, okay. Hand elements. Fire. Ice. I like it. Okay, so we have flash. Flash. Oh, that's right. I can control the timing. Let's make it like crazy fast. Oh, let's see what this does. Does not cure mind goblins. Control. Yeah, I agree. let's try it out. Let's see the new hurt animation. Oh shit, now that I refreshed, I have to go do the damn thing again. I really need a way of getting hurt that doesn't require me to go through a cutscene. Oh, I could just do this. Where? There you go. Deal with it. Go fast. I feel like she is faster. But maybe it's just because she doesn't have an animation. You're not allowed to say it due to a stolen joke. Ah. Alright, here we go. Show me getting hurt. Hey, that's pretty good. I mean, you're definitely getting hurt. I kind of like it. It reminds me of like when you get a star from Mario Kart. Which is the opposite of getting hurt, but let's try again. You flash the whole screen red? Yeah, that's an option. But I feel like I don't want to add seizure warnings. Yeah, no, she's definitely faster. Pick up the pieces and back together. Just a flashbang. White. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Alright, let's see what she looks like when she gets hurt. Oh. Yeah, I like it. I'm getting like Pokemon vibes when you get hurt. I mean, the animation for the flash is way too fast. Let's try it with 5 seconds again. 0.5. 0.05. Put water in your eyes. Ooh. Explosion of white. Very easy to do. Destroy your eyesight. There we go. I also need to make sure that meeting at Bylon's working in production. Oh. Switch. We speeding up, boo. But crunchy butt sounds. I like that better. Alright, let's see if the flash is better. Is it too harsh? Crunchy butt. Let me see. One more time. I think I like it. Let's see if she can walk through without getting hurt. Okay, good. So it still works for her. Let's see when she gets hurt if it works, because I also have the hurt animation running. Oh. Oh, shit. She died. That was good, though. Alright. I'm sold. I like it. And I could definitely change the style, you know. I can add configurations for hurt animation for the game engine for $2. Just kidding. $3. All right, let's push this up. What was I doing? I mean, we're trying to get through this. Will it have one of those sounds that get faster the longer you stay in the fire, like Sonic Underwater? Oh, yeah. No. Because you get hit at a certain rate. It doesn't get worse over time. Not a bad idea, though. These are all things we can add in the future. You know what I mean? All right, let's push this up. Let's make sure that production is working well. I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go through the cutscene and we're gonna try the whole thing. You know, the fire, the rocket, the buttons. Let's see if we can get through that. And if everything's working, let's maybe move on to the mini game, the programming mini game. Well, it's hardware and software engineering, which I already have the good final assets for the programming part. I mean the soldering part. So I don't have to make those. At least I don't think I do. I think what I made before was pretty cool. Actually, was it an image? Or was it... Did I style that? I think it was an image. My main goal right now is to get this goddamn game engine out to the people. I have a lot of people asking about beta testing it, and I can see a semblance of hype building around the idea, and I want to strike while people are still interested. So, yes. Well, you're programming your transportation ability, actually. Because once you finish the mini game, you can transport. You guys haven't even seen transportation because you didn't see my original demo. I will hand everybody the demo that wants to mess with it. I'm very interested in the games that you guys create with this, because as you can see, there's endless possibilities. But I have no doubt in my mind you guys are going to have a hard time figuring out how to configure it. So I just want to get this to a point where you guys can get all the way to a boss fight if you want to, you know? Upgrade the demo alone. True. All right, let's log in. Yes, the email is correct. Okay. Where are we at? Let's start a new game. Let's go straight to the cutscene. And let's try to get through. What happened? Why am I here? Didn't I click a different level? The fuck was that? Demos memo. Okay. Apparently my website's exploding. It's probably because the code was pushing. All right. Best part about building games on websites? Websites are crazy. The hot dog guy's got me hyped now. I cannot stop laughing. Oh, he's just a hot dog band singing. The hell is that? What are all these? Gallery settings, playlist settings. What are all these scripts? Why are they in script tags? That's weird. That's weird, right? Crop content. Image crop area preview. What the fuck is this? I have no idea what I'm looking at. I'm like, I didn't build that. All right, stop. Chill, website. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? All right, there we go. Let's try this again. What did I do? What is happening? Why? What the fuck? So when you think you can give me a demo, let me know. I got some game breaking ideas. If it's sports, I believe it. Yeah, apparently I'm having hosting issues out of nowhere. All right, let's clear the cache. Refresh again. And level select. There we go. That was weird. Maybe I just caught it in the middle of a code push, you know. That happens. All right, let's get through this. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. And we are back. Let's switch to Iona because she's faster. Still can't tell. I don't know. She is faster, right? She doesn't feel faster. I can't tell. I mean, we'll be able to tell. POV when you force load a specific showing. Correct. All right, here we go. Let us get through this mini game or puzzle or whatever. God damn it, I keep moving this and it keeps moving back. Stay there. Whoa. I got too close to the fire. All right, let's make... I'm confused. What the hell just happened? Okay, she's definitely not going faster. What the fuck? Hold on. Am I not logged in? She's definitely set the speed. I don't know why she's not speeding though. She is set to speed. Why are you not speeding? The fuck? Yeah, speed. Ugh, I think the person who goes on the fire would run faster. True. Yeah, you'd think they'd run faster, right? What the fuck? Why are you so slow? I lost my character. Whatever, we don't need him. Have you heard about UTTP vomit? No, I have not. What the hell's that? Alright, let's give this a shot, I guess. Oh no, the fire's gone, isn't it? Son of a bitch. Because it restarted me. I'm just trying to rush through this so I can test. Come on, people. Why is she not going fast? Okay, well that's faster. Maybe it's because I'm just fucking around too much. See, that's slow. And that's faster. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely faster. Hey, Game Doodle. What's up, man? Long time, long motherfucking time, my friend. How are you? Quick before we get hurt. Alright. Fire's out. Let's go. Game Doodle, what up? What up, bud? Yeah, man, you haven't seen a lot. I'm glad you're liking the final assets. I mean, the map has not been filled out. I'm just filling out the spots that I need to continue the functionality. But I'm just testing out the tutorial shit. So let's see if this works. Oh, good. It does not work. Why is the timer not starting? I feel like I was having timer issues before, but I thought it was just Graham. Is she not punching it right? Where's her weapon? Let me try switching to God mode and see if I can hit it. But this is why we're testing, I guess. No, yeah, see? She's not. Timer's not starting. Son of a bitch. I was having that issue where the timer was starting for no reason. The character select the fire, the pup. Yeah, man. Thanks. Yeah, we have a lot of new dev mode stuff too. But we definitely have an issue going on right now. I was having this issue where it was starting, and for some reason the timer was starting when you just load it in. UTDP is the YouTube Troll Police. They're a group of kids and dummy doxing her. What the fuck? Mostly big channels get hit. That's scary. Alright. I'll be careful. I am a big channel and all. Alright, well, we need to figure this out. Let's pull it down. I love fixing shit that I've already fixed 10 million times. That is probably my favorite thing in the world. I know it. Well, let's get this breaking in local so that I can fix it. Uploads. Yes. At least we'll have a local version of the newest shit. And it should start me right here. Just because you're not big, even if you catch a win, they appear. I feel them the most. I don't know. You guys could. Well, that's the problem. Like, if you're not a big channel, getting doxxed means fucking nothing, you know? You guys can know exactly where I live. To be honest, I fear for anybody who knows where I live. I have kind of a scary fortress here. So if anybody wants to come fuck around, it won't end nicely for them, unfortunately. I mean, I'm harmless. But the property and everything in and around it is not. But I mean, that's still annoying, I guess. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Game Doodle, you haven't even seen my wireless mic saga. I am now free from the goddamn Yeti. Which is fantastic. I've actually doxed myself multiple times now on this channel, to be honest. Just showing mail and zip codes and stuff. Exactly. For sure. Well, because I got the 12 acres. It's completely fenced in. Got too many dogs. And brand new camera system too. All four corners of the property. You can see everything. It's got 8x zoom, AI monitoring, where it can like follow people. It's really creepy, actually. I don't like when it follows me around the property. 6 emails from website. I have been 2. It's weird. Alright, we're back. Now we gotta go through the fucking cutscene again. You haven't had 6 emails from website. I have been 2. Okay. He's walking kind of fast. Alright, let's fix this fucking speed shit, because this is some bullshit. Speed. So she's speed. Movement speed's 10, so it should be twice as fast. Is this not working? Why the fuck is her movement speed not working? You have not have. You have not have. Some just whatever, man. I believe you. True. I wonder how long it would have taken me to notice you didn't have a mic. Yeah, it sounds pretty much the same in my monitor ear. Yeah. I don't think it's... I mean, like, bass-wise, I still think it's pretty normal. I mean, you can see it here. It's on my shirt. It sounds pretty normal. I mean, it's a pretty good... It's the DJI Mini set. You know, comes with 2 mics. Pretty nice. Alright, I want to make sure that this fucking works. Hold on. Her going faster. So, I guess she's faster. I just can't tell. Yes, the map select has been a godsend. This feature right here, being able to go through any of the maps, you know, like, oh, I gotta test out the CEO map. I also added a fade in, fade out between scene changes, so you're not seeing anything load. And that's been pretty smooth too. Yep, now he's a person. And yeah, so I have the first 2 maps pretty much staged. I'm gonna add some more NPCs in like some maids walking around. But I also added a, I'll show you the first level since you haven't been around. Here's my new intro video, which I'll unmute for you. Let's see. How do I unmute?
Wormhole transportation. Like it sounds, they're trying to transport matter around the cosmos in the blink of an eye.
I'm gonna replace the video. I kind of just threw together some of the AI, like,
yeah, a lot of other people would
talking.
agree. That includes most of the academic elite.
But yeah, direct intro from the book too.
Jealousy of some of those dicks. They got their way, and I had to pack up and leave my lab. Alright, with that bit of background out of the way, let's get started. Cue the sad music.
So now we have wandering NPCs with really good wandering logic. Pop-up seems to be. It looks good. Yeah, it kind of matched. I was able to kind of match the movement. The mouth doesn't match perfect or anything, but probably good enough. What the hell? Why is he stuck? Why are you stuck? You stuck behind your robot? Hey man, what's up?
Oh, sorry Giles. Didn't see you.
No problem, mate.
I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Look, I know.
Bye Giles.
Bye Giles. I haven't done the voiceover for the new cutscenes. He is the entomologist. Look, you can see right here. Oh yeah, I have to fix that. I don't know when that happened. I think I styled something differently though. Ugh. Actually, I'm just finding new bugs. God damn it. So wait, what's the problem? I know it's getting stuck inside the container. The focus view. Why are you getting stuck in there though? Hold on, god damn it. Why are you stuck? So this figure should be popping out, but it's getting stuck inside here. But you can't exactly leave this unset or anything. Yeah, no, that doesn't even fix it. So why are you all of a sudden... Nothing's really changed. Something changed in WordPress, maybe? Collision. Yeah, it's just getting contained to its container, even though it's position fixed. Which it shouldn't care about, even if it is absolute. Yeah, no, it's not 3D. So why are you all of a sudden giving a shit? I mean, I can put an actual pixel width, but I didn't want to do that. Huh. I guess I could do something like that, just like a max content. And then it'll kind of just take on what it needs to. Alright, I'll just do that. It's not the worst fix in the world. I'll just do that. I've been using max content a lot, to be honest. Okay, it's not... It's there for a reason. Yeah, this one right here. There we go. Let's do that. Alright, Sama. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Always good to see your green donut. Catch you in the next one. Have an amazing weekend. Alright, let's see if this actually worked. Yeah, there we go.
I wonder what that sign says.
Wonder what that sign says. I love making fun of myself.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Ooh. Hello.
Cranston.
No hard feelings. Eh?
Donut.
Bye Cranston.
Fuck off, Cranston. I don't like that it's not... See, it's not, like, fixed. Why are you not fixed? Is that the problem? It's not actually fixed? Because it's supposed to be the center of the screen. Okay. Maybe that's the actual issue. Is it the display? No. I don't know where table came from. See, that came from WordPress. This is what I think. I think WordPress is adding some new styling as it gets upgraded. That happens sometimes when Gutenberg gets upgraded and they kind of like change the styling of some content. So like, did Clear Both do it? Did Margin do it? Any of these fucking margins, box sizing? Like, I don't know. It's possible one of these.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my fucking god.
I gotta go pack up. Got fired and all.
Yeah. Interesting. So this is the container. Fixed, overflows visible, max width, max height. See the... Interesting. Is that it? Is it the height? No, it's still not moving. It used to move. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, see, now it's not fixed anymore. Why is it not fixed anymore? That's really weird. Did it not used to be wrapped in a figure, maybe? No, it did, because I have styling for figure. Interesting. Is it because I changed some styling? No, nothing really matters. Huh. Huh. I did add rotate. No. Position. The fuck is position not turning off? Oh man. I hate unexplainable changes. See, I just don't want to be able to walk away from it. You know what I mean? Like where I'm like, all right, fuck you, sign, and then just open another one. Oh, well, I guess it'll close it, but I don't like it. I want it to be floating, you know what I mean? The only thing I can do is take it out of the fucking map, which I don't want to do. I mean, it really shouldn't have changed, though. So it's definitely, you know, caring about this. I mean, technically it makes sense that it's inside of an absolute, so the fixed is being overridden by the parent. But I swear this was working before. I just wonder if, you know, yeah, see, you can't do fixed on that. I don't know. I really don't know if there's any way around it. Because it's styled correctly for a fixed position, but it's not correct. for the placement. But like I said, I just don't remember, you know, how it worked before. And this doesn't work in production too, right? I think I noticed that. No. Let's go to the first level. No. Damn it. First.
Hey, Wayne, I heard about you getting let go. The world is cruel and people are now.
Yes, I know. Alright. Yeah, okay. So it's also broken there. Something changed. Because it's just started happening all of a sudden. And it has to be a WordPress upgrade. I just don't fucking know what could have caused it. Because I definitely didn't change any styling for this before. It just has to be like this table change. I don't know why. Just the fact that it's stuck in there now is really weird when it wasn't before. And if I switch the width again back to 95%, there has to be something fucking with it. Yeah, because I definitely didn't change anything. Something changed about the image? I don't think so. Well, that's something. Still not following the screen, but that might explain something. There was a couple things. Overflow clip, never even heard of that. Interesting. Oh, okay. Okay, well, it seems like we got the sizing figured out. It's still not the reason why. So it definitely seems like this max width 100 on the image is the culprit. That being said, why is this still being held down by the content? Can you stop? Well, let's see what else happened. What about you? Anything new? Box sizing? No. Display block? This looks like the only thing that could have changed is this box sizing. Oh my god, what is wrong with you, Google? Fucking browser is freaking out. Well, it doesn't look like anything's down there anyways. No, doesn't look like anything's going on there. Nothing's changed in the default map, yeah. I guess it's just the max width. Well, let's go back to that. And let's get the styling for the image. Wait, do I call it sign image? I don't. Oh, sign image and then image. Oh, okay, two different things. Got it. Yeah, not sign image. Max width unset. That'll undo that issue. Hey, that looks pretty center. Still not following me though. I don't know, we might have to just give up on that. It's not the worst thing in the world, I guess. Alright, whatever. What was I doing? Trying to fix a different one. What are you trying to do? Center on the screen, require player input, closing it? No, I'm just trying to get it back to what it was. Like when you open the image, it was supposed to float in the center of the screen. You know what I mean? So even if you walked around, like it would follow you. Just like any other pop-up. Like the these pop-ups right here, you know. But those actually stop you from walking, so it's not a big deal. Alright. Forget it. I give up. Well, I was trying to fix something else. What was I trying to fix? We fixed that. Oh, the timer. Let's go back to the timer. And we're sure she's faster. Yeah, I think she's faster. Right? Hey, I gotta get rid of that console. It's definitely getting hit. Just weird that it doesn't feel as fast as I thought it would. Disarm the rocket. Wait, what? Did I already put the fire out? Oh, good. I did. Okay, so why is the timer not working? We need to figure that out. Timer logic. So this is where I had to start fucking around because the timer was getting set off regardless. So I had to... So this is where it should start the timer. Zero is less than tricky timer. So this is not getting hit anymore like it should. And I had to check. Has triggers not undefined. Uh-huh. Well, I guess let's search this shit. Has trigger. Alright. Let's see. So we will now find out if these are correct or not. All right. Speed. I need to change it to like 5 because she just does not seem fast enough. All right, we'll see if that works. Otherwise, this is actually not being used. See, it should be getting used. But she's just not fast enough. Okay. And oops. So it's the weapon. It's not the logic, it's the weapon. Where's the fucking weapon? Display none. It's supposed to be display none. No, it's not. Why is it display none? How is this supposed to work? How are you supposed to work? What happened? Now the weapon's not doing what's supposed to? It's moving up when I click, but I'm down. So what the fuck happened? Like no styling has changed. Alright, what did I do to the map weapon? Annoyingly. Blah blah blah. Down. Engage. It's not doing anything though. I think I was... Yeah, I took all the styling out for how weapons work. Instead, I yeah, here we go. I key up, yeah. So on key up, if it's space, yeah, there we go, position. Oh, is this because I changed the height of my character? I think so. Oh, okay. Top position, 210, 390. I think I need to move it 100 each. So it's like 3, 4, 4, 5. Oh no, left and right should be fine actually. It should just be up and down. Actually, let's double check that. I guess it's kind of hard to hit because it's not to the right of me. But the fact that it's displaying none is a problem. It shouldn't be displaying none, but let's see if this actually fixes it. But yeah, it also shouldn't be displaying none as long as it is. Yeah, so I changed the height of the box for my character because I wanted you to be able to see more when you're walking up and down. Which worked. You see how it, you know, I can move still a little bit, but it gives me more at the top and bottom to look at. It's because I kept like doing things that were cut off. I mean, it still cuts off the fire a bit. Oh yeah, she's definitely faster. Even 5 doesn't seem like that much faster. There's definitely something going on with her speed. Wait, let's see if this works. Yeah, that works. Still annoying. Okay. So let's see, I think it's display none right now, which is annoying. It is. Okay. There we go. It worked. Alright, so we need to basically figure out why it's displaying none. But let's at least try to keep going. Yeah, she's so slow. I feel like I had her way faster. And I mean, the speed is changing. But like, I don't think she's gonna make it. So definitely something's going on with the speed change. Yeah, she's not gonna make it. That's crazy. And I moved it to 5. Yeah, there's no way. Hold on. Window dot movement speed. Was it? Speed. Oh, move speed. See, it says 5, but there's no fucking way. There's no fucking way that it's changed to 5. There's no way that this is getting 5. This is move init function. Is this not getting reset? Maybe. But this is here's the movement. Yeah. Let's see if this gets hit. And this is the thing that hits the Miro Explorer. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's just see if we can figure out what the fuck is going on. So it starts 20. Cool. Moves to 5. See, this feels faster. I need to go extreme. Let's do 1. And this is 1 millisecond. This should be fast. 20 milliseconds. It's the exact same. It's not changing. What is this undefined shit? Oh. It's not changing. What is happening? Why? Why is movement speed not changing? Let me try to hard code it. Like, am I not using? Yeah, look, right. Wait. Yeah, see? I'm resetting it right here. Boom. And that clears. Wait, how come that's not clearing the movement interval? Am I not doing that? No, I am. Yeah, right here. Correct. So I'm clearing that, resetting the move interval. What the fuck? Why are things just not working out of nowhere? I mean, this interval is definitely getting hit faster, right? So if I just change this to 1, the interval should be fucking fast as shit. I mean, he feels fast, but this is as fast as I think she should be normally. And I feel like it was faster before. I wonder if the interval was doubled up at one point. All right, let's... Oh no, she is 1. But I moved her to 1 and it still didn't feel that fast though. This is crazy. Why? She is 1 move speed now. He is slow. She is faster. It just doesn't make sense. Because I had her at 10, which is twice as fast as the characters before, and she was getting there in 40 seconds, no problem. Let's see if she gets there in 40 seconds at 1. I don't know if it's because of the height change. I don't know why that would affect the speed. But like, look at this. Like, she doesn't feel that fast again. But it says it's getting 1. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't feel fast. I mean, I guess that definitely feels slower. Oh yeah, I gotta fix the fucking display none real quick. So why is the weapon display none? On load, it should be not. Wait, what? I was using the wrong function. That's weird. Okay. That's weird. That was for projectiles. I haven't even gotten there yet. Okay, map weapon. So here's map weapon. I need the on load. This is after cutscene. Yeah, here we go. See, I'm getting display none by default. And then when you enter the new area, it's supposed to be display block. Which should be right here. No. Where was it? Enter new area. Where's the weapon? Blah, 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 blah. Maybe I never turned it back on. Weapon. Yeah, display block. Right here. Allow movement. Display block. Oh yeah, you're supposed to pass weapon to it. Doesn't seem like it's working. But it looks like I'm passing it. This is after cutscene. Enter new area. And then this is enter explorer point. Yeah, because I'm displaying none. Passing it to the new area. I don't know. Maybe I should just grab it again and not even pass it to this. So where's the weapon? Right here. Let's do this. Alright. Let's see if it works now. But that's that. Where's engage, explore, gain? It seems like I'm defaulting a weapon to be display none, right? No. No, I'm not. I thought I was. Cool. So then this should be fine. Let's try again. Okay, not display none. good. How about now? There we go. All right, it worked now. She is not fast. This is driving me fucking crazy. Why? Why is it so slow? He's the same speed as her. What is going on? It's not resetting the walking animation. It is though. The interval is changing. It's right here. It's running. It's restarting the interval with the new movement speed. It's like it's ignoring it. How are you ignoring the movement speed? It's the exact same speed. So this doesn't matter. This isn't changing. I wonder if I changed it to a global variable instead of a window variable, if that would matter. Because it doesn't matter. Movement int. Right? Yeah. So now I can't walk. But now if I run movement int function, what? Not defined. Why? Oh. It's because it changes the variable names here. So the function name is QE apparently. What? It's right here. I'm looking at it. Is that why? It's not working. No, because this is getting hit. $20. It doesn't care. Well, at least that worked. Alright. I give up. I'll fix this over the weekend. Hey everybody, thanks for jumping on. Sama, thanks for jumping on earlier, my friend. I will see you next week. Have a great weekend. Who else jumped on today? Game Doodle. Good to see you, my friend. Hope you come by more often and catch more of the finishing of the game engine. Tavir, thanks for saying hi earlier. And yeah, I don't think anybody else has jumped on today. Let me see. Oh, Sound of Sounds. Thanks for the impression bomb. I gave you all the impressions I could. And anybody watching in the future, thanks so much for watching in the future. Come by in person. I'd like to talk to you guys. And anybody that is just lurking around, hey, say hi. I hope to see you guys again. Make sure to subscribe, follow. You can see the progress on the WordPress game engine, see the progress on my RPG video game that I'm working on, and all the great stuff that will happen. So anyways, I'm gonna get some sleep, and I'm gonna fix this probably this weekend, and we'll get her moving fast again. And everybody else, have an amazing weekend. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.